Back to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving you tips to help you finish the arena. I finished it in about 2 weeks, so I'm going to be telling you some of my tips that I used to finish the arena very fast. Okay, so the first thing that you want to make sure is that you have some powerful pets on, like Mag Mayhem and Chill and Char. Those are some good pets for it. So yeah, that is one tip that you can use. Also, make sure you're on a low grade level, like first grade math. If you're not, then or so if you're in a class, then I'd suggest you just stay there. But if you're not, then make your own teacher account and then set your grade level to like first grade or something. Okay, so one of the most important things that you can do is make sure you have a lot of food. Like have a lot of cake. Um, let's see. Make sure you have a lot of this cake because that is really powerful. Make sure you have a lot of poutine. I don't know what it's called. Pizza and stuff like that. It's really good and will help you stay alive longer. Okay, so one of the most important tips that I think people don't really know that you can do, and it's really easy, you just grind. No one really, they're just like, how do you complete this so fast? Grind, grind, grind. Play it a lot, and you can easily complete battles. And there's one more important tip that I can give you, and that is to find someone with like low or like you want to find someone with a lot of damage ruins, because yeah, someone like this, because they're going to be easier to take out. And then for your ruins, you want to kind of have something set up like this with um three attack ruins on your self, two on your or one attack ruin on each of your pets, and then two hearts on each of them also. So try and find someone with like a bad ruin set, and I'm not sure why the arena isn't working for me. Okay, so yeah, those are basically all the tips that I have for you guys. I'm gonna try and get into a battle again, but it probably won't work. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna send something to support, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.